Be the envy of your friends in this 2008 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.